welcome to Nama and Friends. In this video, we are going to share to you ideas on things to do, where to go, what to see in Zakynthos, Greece. The links to agencies or companies we use in our tours will be in the description box. The list is not arranged in any particular order. For our first stop, we have Navagio Beach or the Shipwreck Beach viewpoint. Navagio Beach or the Shipwreck Beach is the most popular tourist destination here in Zakynthos. There are two ways to admire its beauty, and one of which is an aerial view. You can actually see the shipwreck from the viewpoint. No doubt the best time to go there is in the evenings so you can watch the sunset. If you do go to Navagio Beach viewpoint, you can pass by this monastery, which is along the way. The monastery is open every day from 9 to 2 and admission is free. The Keri Caves is one of the attractions in the southwest region of the island. You can explore the area by renting a private boat, joining a group tour, or for a more adventurous way, why not go for a kayak tour? In this way, you will be able to go inside the smaller caves.
Go out on that exit. After you go out, after like 20 meters, turn right, go.
Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely.
For our next stop, we are going to explore the northwest parts of the island. This time, we rented a boat. If in the southwest coastal area we have the Keri Caves, here we have the Blue Caves. Earlier on, we had a bird's eye view of the shipwreck. This time, we are going up close and personal. The shipwreck has been here since October of 1980, washed ashore due to mechanical failure and bad weather. Seeing how dramatically beautiful a sight it was, the captain decided to leave the ship. Nowadays, it is one of the most photographed sites not only in Zakynthos but the whole of Greece. Number 6 on our list is Xigia Beach. The water here contains sulfur, which helps relieve body aches and pains and have good benefits to the skin. Another fun thing to do is stand-up paddling, which you can do during the sunrise or the sunset. With our SUP, we were able to do turtle spotting and a stopover in Cameo Island where we had the island all to ourselves. Although our sunset visit to the Cameo Island is part of our paddling tour, you can visit the island by foot. It will, however, cost you €5 for entrance fee. That includes a souvenir. You should know though that during the daytime it gets really crowded. The island has a bar where you can enjoy drinks with a beautiful view, however, it was closed when we went there. Up in number 10, food trip. A holiday or a trip wouldn't be complete without having a taste of the local delicacies. Here are some food ideas you can try.
Okay. See.
The village of Kampi prides itself for having the best sunset view. Add food and wine in a good company, it's a perfect night.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
There are a few restaurants to choose from. As for our group, we decided to go with Sunset Michalis. Next stop is the capital of the island. Take note that shops open from 9 to 2 and reopen again from 6 to 9 except on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And on Sundays, shops are all closed. A few minutes drive from the town is Bochali, where you can have a panoramic view of the capital. There is a castle nearby, however it was closed during our visit. Kefalonia is 1.5 hours boat ride from Zakynthos and is the largest among the Ionian Islands. Highlights of the tour include Melisani Lake and the Drogarati Caves. Last but not the least, chilling in a villa. There are many villas for rent here in Zakynthos, perfect for a group who wants to have a relaxing private time. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I want to thank my friend Crystal for organizing this tour for us.